Wait a minute.
Come here, chick.
10 carries for 54 yards.
Merry Christmas.
What?
I tear it.
All that to see some fag.
Oh, Dad, don't say that.
Oh my gosh. I'm dreaming. Pinch me.
Punch it in the face.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Are you happy? Merry Christmas.
I love you, Justin.
You better love me. That's what you love, Justin. And you
Okay.
better rub my feet.
Okay.
That's why my feet hurt.
That's what Jalen was like. Oh, you got the concert tickets? I'm like, what concert? He's like, never mind. And I'm like, okay. Well, oh my God!